Welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan, and I'm so glad you're here. Today this is part 3 of turning our house into a gingerbread house for Christmas. We built most of these decorations in parts 1 and 2, and you can find those in my playlist. Our goal is to add just a few decorations every year. We obviously can't do it all at once because it'd just be way too overwhelming. We did most of it in parts 1 and 2. But this part 3 is just a few little added things that we thought would be really cute to add to the look of it. And yeah, and I just hope you enjoy watching us work on it, and let's get started. Okay, so what we got going on here?
Okay, so we wanted to line the driveway with something. So we found these lights, and they're made to stick on this, and we thought they looked a little silly just sticking up. So we added some 2-inch PVC to it, about 8 inches tall, kind of make it look like a candle. I cut out notches because of the cords. They needed to be able to stick through. So I just took a router and did a quick notch on them.
There we go. And for those of you that watched parts 1 and 2, you know that we did make these awnings out of foam board, and we painted them white and added some little circles that look like candies. They're made out of like foam, little pieces of foam, and yeah, they look really cute. We had to hang them up with Gorilla Tape. That stuff is amazing if you haven't tried it. They were very secured. And here was the little peppermint sticks that we made out of pool noodles and tape. And we set them over a dowel. They were very secure there. And then Jim made these cute little shutters on my kitchen window out of foam board. We painted them white, and then I bought some little DollarTree plates and painted them to look like candies and added them to the shutters. And then also in parts 1 and 2, we made these peppermint pillars out of wood and attached them to the house. And then I made some suckers with DollarTree bowls and put some little twinkle lights in them that are on a timer. So here's some little gumdrops that I made out of DollarTree ice buckets. I just put them upside down, painted them with chalk paint, and then a latex paint over that, and some sparkles. And last year I had the gingerbread man and lady over there with the suckers, but this year we put them in the front on the little mound under the big tree, have them waving to everybody that passes by. So this year, Jim decided to put up some icicles hanging down from under the gingerbread awnings. And I think it turned out really cute. Another thing I want to get working on are some little candies made from some DollarTree plates, the large size and the small sizes. And it's hard for the acrylic or latex paint to stick to the plate, so I like to use a little bit of chalk paint beforehand, and then the latex paint will stick to it a lot better.
promises of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in a wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band.
You may have noticed I decorated some of the plates right side up and some are upside down. I'm not sure why. I mean, they look cute both ways. So now Jim's attaching them to the garage, and I paired them with some cute little gingerbread men that we got from the Dollar Tree, and I made a little pattern with them, and I think it came out pretty cute. I wanted to add some little candies to the side window by the front door. So I got some little balls that I ordered through Amazon, and partly for my granddaughter to play with, but partly to use for decorations. And I just rolled some up to look like little candies in some cellophane and twisted them off at the ends. So then I took the larger Dollar Tree plates that I decorated, and I'm going to put some cellophane and then use little red and white straws that I am going to make look like sucker sticks. I add them to the bottom, and I think they look like little suckers. And then I thought, oops, I forgot to put the straws in. So I had to take a little bit, do a little dismantling there. I hung them on the glass with some two-sided Gorilla Tape. We do all this decorating for our family, and we just basically truly enjoyed doing stuff like this, but also because we feel like if somebody drives by and it makes them smile, then it's all worth it. Everything was so much easier to go up this year, obviously, because it was already constructed last year. And like I said, if you haven't seen those videos, you should watch them. They are in my playlist. I hope you enjoyed watching, friends, and I hope that you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And until next time, bye for now.